The president of Khasi Jaintia Deficit School Teachers Association has today, the 20th of November, expressed immense gratitude towards the government of Meghalaya for allowing all the students of higher secondary school leaving certificate and high school leaving certificate to appear for their examination to be conducted by the MBOs with the selection test being exempted. Speaking to the media, the president of the Khasi Deficit School Teachers Association, Kular Khongjiram, in consideration of the matter, expressed appreciation towards the government for having paid heed to their suggestion of conducting the final examinations without the written test in view of the COVID-19 pandemic in the state. Khongjiram also made an ardent appeal to the state government of arranging a timely sanction of deficit school teachers' salaries so as to help elude financial crisis. He urged the government to release the areas of the teachers that has accrued from the implementation of the last pay commission. He said that it is high time for the government to implement a similar pension scheme for the deficit school teachers as government employees.
Of the proposal of the Teachers Association. We also appeal the government to kindly release the pending areas of the revised pay tentatively before the Christmas, so that the teachers will be able to celebrate the Christmas and the New Year in this year, in spite of the pandemic situation prevailing in the country and in the state. And we also appeal the government to kindly keep the regular to expedite the regular and monthly salary for the deficit school teachers, as the government assure us from time to time. And also the DCIG of rupees 10 lakh also is pending with the Education Department. We appeal the department to kindly speed up this issue also, so that the retired teacher will enjoy as far as possible or with immediate effect. Also, we appeal the government from the deficit school teacher to kindly implement the pension benefit scheme to all deficit school teachers, as at present we have not enjoyed the pension scheme, whether new pension scheme or the old pension scheme, as enjoyed by the government servant. These are the most important issue that we are deprived by the deficit school teachers from the government. So we have in the proposal, we have given the government that regarding the final SSSC exam and HSSC exam, the standard and the quality of the embossed examination should not be compromised. Do all the candidates or the students are allowed directly to appear the final examination, but the standard, the quality of the exam should not be compromised. That is our proposal.